The AI world just delivered another explosive set of breakthroughs that could fundamentally change how we think about AI reliability, competition, and human-computer interaction. From OpenAI finally addressing the hallucination problem to Alibaba unleashing a model that crushes the competition, these developments prove the AI arms race is entering a new phase entirely. Welcome back to bitbiased.ai, where we do the research so you don't have to. Today, we're covering 7 major AI stories that are reshaping the landscape of artificial intelligence, content creation, and human-machine interfaces. Here's what's dominating headlines. OpenAI published groundbreaking research on solving LLM hallucinations that could change how all models are trained. Alibaba dropped Qwen3 Max preview with over 1 trillion parameters, reportedly outperforming Claude Opus 4, while costing a fraction of competitors. Google made Veo 3 production ready and slashed video generation costs by half. MIT spin-out AlterEgo unveiled a revolutionary wearable that reads brain signals for silent communication. Apple faces a major new copyright lawsuit that could set industry precedent. A Catholic priest went viral warning that AI companions could cause psychosis. And AI is being used to restore 43 minutes of lost footage from Orson Welles' cinematic masterpiece. Each story represents a critical shift in AI capabilities, ethics, and market dynamics. Let's break down what actually happened and why it matters for you. Story 1. OpenAI cracks the hallucination code. OpenAI has released research that could solve one of AI's most persistent and dangerous problems: hallucinations. You know, those moments when ChatGPT confidently tells you something completely wrong, like claiming the Eiffel Tower is in Germany, or that sharks are mammals. Here's the breakthrough. OpenAI discovered the root cause isn't just bad training data, it's how we reward AI models. Current training methods, especially reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF, actually encourage confident guessing. Models get rewarded for sounding authoritative, even when they're completely wrong. Think about it. When you rate an AI response, you probably prefer the confident, well-written answer over the uncertain one, even if the uncertain one is actually more accurate. This creates a fundamental misalignment where models learn to prioritize fluency over truth. OpenAI's solution is elegant. New evaluation metrics that reward models for saying, "I don't know," when they should. Instead of penalizing uncertainty, they want to celebrate intellectual humility. This could revolutionize high-stakes applications like healthcare, finance, and legal advice where a wrong answer isn't just annoying, it's dangerous. The implications are massive. If implemented industry-wide, this approach could finally make AI trustworthy enough for critical decisions. We're talking about the difference between AI as a creative assistant versus AI as a reliable expert you'd trust with your life. Story 2. Alibaba unleashes the trillion-parameter monster. Alibaba just dropped a bombshell that has the entire AI industry scrambling. Qwen3 Max Preview, a model with over 1 trillion parameters that's reportedly crushing both Claude Opus 4 and DeepSeek 5 3.1 in head-to-head evaluations. But here's what makes this truly game-changing. It's not just powerful, it's affordable. At 86 cents per million tokens, Qwen3 costs a fraction of what competitors charge while delivering superior performance. That's like getting a Ferrari for the price of a Honda Civic. The technical specs are staggering. 262K token context window means it can process entire code bases, massive documents, or datasets without losing track. For enterprise applications in research, finance, and law, this is revolutionary. Imagine feeding it your company's entire legal database and getting coherent analysis across all documents simultaneously. This represents China's most aggressive move yet in the global AI race. Alibaba isn't just competing, they're positioning Qwen3 as the foundation of China's AI infrastructure while offering international markets an alternative to Western AI dominance. The competitive implications are seismic. If a model can outperform established leaders while costing less, it forces everyone to reconsider their pricing and performance strategies. This could trigger a new wave of model releases as companies scramble to match Alibaba's price-performance ratio. Story 3. Google makes AI video mainstream. Google just made AI video generation accessible to everyone by declaring Veo 3 production ready and slashing costs by 50%. This isn't just another model update. It's the moment AI video tools transition from expensive experiments to mainstream creator tools. Veo 3 focuses on what creators actually need. 1080p vertical videos perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. The fast variant prioritizes quick turnaround over perfect quality, acknowledging that speed often matters more than perfection in the content economy. By integrating Veo into the Gemini API ecosystem, Google is positioning itself as the one-stop shop for AI-powered content creation. You can now brainstorm with Gemini, generate scripts, create videos with Veo, and manage everything through Google's unified platform. The strategic implications are clear. Google wants to own the entire content creation pipeline. While OpenAI focuses on conversational AI and others chase general intelligence, Google is building the infrastructure that powers the creator economy. With affordability and reliability now solved, expect to see AI-generated video content explode across social platforms. The barrier to entry just collapsed, and that changes everything for creators, marketers, and media companies. Story 4. Mind-reading wearable changes human-computer interaction. MIT spin-out AlterEgo has developed something that sounds like science fiction. A wearable headset that reads neuromuscular signals in your face and jaw, enabling completely silent communication with computers and AI. CEO Arnav Kapoor demonstrated the system taking notes and having full conversations with AI without speaking a word. The device interprets the tiny muscle movements your brain produces when you think words internally, those subvocal signals we all generate but never consciously control. The applications are staggering. For professionals, imagine silently communicating with AI in noisy environments or discreetly in public spaces. For individuals with speech disabilities, including ALS patients, this could restore their voice in entirely new ways. But this goes beyond accessibility. We're looking at a fundamental shift in how humans interface with technology. No more typing, speaking, or even touching screens, just thinking and having computers respond. It's the closest thing to telepathic communication with machines we've ever seen. The technology is still early, but if scaled successfully, AlterEgo could usher in a new paradigm where the friction between human thought and digital action essentially disappears. It's not just an interface improvement, it's a transformation of human capability. Story 5. Apple faces AI copyright reckoning. Apple is now in the legal crosshairs as two authors filed a lawsuit claiming the company used pirated versions of their books to train AI models without consent or compensation. This comes right after Anthropic's $1.5 billion settlement with authors over similar allegations. The timing couldn't be worse for Apple, who's been trying to position themselves as the privacy-conscious, ethical AI company. If proven, this lawsuit could expose Apple to massive damages while undermining their carefully crafted reputation. But this story is bigger than Apple. We're witnessing the legal system finally catching up to AI development practices. The era of move fast and worry about copyright later is ending, and companies are facing real consequences for their training data choices. The broader implications are industry-wide. Every major AI company used similar data scraping techniques to build their models. If courts consistently rule against these practices, it could force a complete overhaul of how models are trained and validated. This legal battle will likely set precedents that define AI development for decades. The question isn't just whether Apple violated copyright, it's whether the entire foundation of large language model training is legally sustainable. Story 6. Religious warning about AI companions. In an unexpected twist, a Catholic priest went viral with a sermon warning that AI companions could cause psychological harm, including increased risks of psychosis and social detachment. He described AI chatbots as soulless mirrors that could isolate users from genuine human connection. The sermon drew immediate comparisons to Black Mirror episodes and ignited fierce debate across social media. Supporters praised the concern for human dignity and authentic relationships, while critics dismissed it as technological alarmism reminiscent of fears about video games or social media. But here's why this matters. We're seeing the first organized religious response to AI companions. As these tools become more sophisticated and emotionally engaging, questions about their psychological impact are moving from tech forums to pulpits. The priest's concerns echo growing research about parasocial relationships with AI. While some find genuine comfort and support in AI companions, others worry about substituting artificial relationships for human ones. The debate touches fundamental questions about consciousness, soul, and what makes relationships meaningful. This story represents a broader cultural awakening to AI's psychological implications. As AI companions become more lifelike and prevalent, expect more institutions, religious, medical, and educational, to weigh in on their societal impact. Story 7. AI resurrects cinema history. Amazon-backed production company Showrunner is using advanced AI to restore 43 minutes of missing footage from Orson Welles' masterpiece, The Magnificent Ambersons. The film, considered a ruined masterpiece after studio cuts, has fascinated cinephiles for decades. The restoration combines face transfer techniques with archival set photos to digitally reconstruct lost scenes. If successful, it could revolutionize how we preserve and restore cultural artifacts lost to time, war, or corporate decisions. But this raises fascinating questions about authenticity versus preservation. Is an AI reconstructed scene part of Wells's vision, or is it sophisticated fan fiction? Where's the line between restoration and recreation? The technology has implications far beyond cinema. Lost artworks, damaged historical documents, incomplete musical compositions. AI could potentially complete countless cultural treasures. But each restoration forces us to confront questions about artistic integrity and historical accuracy. This project represents AI moving beyond utility into cultural preservation. We're not just automating tasks, we're actively reconstructing human heritage. That's either revolutionary preservation or dangerous revisionism, depending on your perspective. Analysis. What these developments mean for AI's future. Looking across these 7 stories, several critical patterns emerge. We're witnessing AI mature from experimental technology to infrastructure that touches creativity, communication, law, psychology, and culture simultaneously. The hallucination research and copyright lawsuits signal the industry entering a responsibility phase. Companies can no longer prioritize capability over reliability or ignore legal and ethical constraints. The Wild West era of AI development is ending. Meanwhile, the Alibaba launch and Google's VO pricing show competition intensifying around accessibility. The future isn't just about who builds the most powerful AI. It's about who makes that power affordable and practical for everyday users. The AlterEgo wearable and AI film restoration demonstrate AI expanding beyond traditional computing into fundamental human experiences like communication and cultural memory. We're not just improving existing workflows, we're creating entirely new categories of human capability. Most importantly, the religious response to AI companions shows society beginning to grapple seriously with AI's psychological and spiritual implications. These aren't just technical tools anymore, they're forces that could reshape human relationships and consciousness itself. Closing. That's your AI news roundup for today. From solving hallucinations to trillion-parameter models, from mind-reading wearables to legal battles, from religious warnings to cinematic resurrection, the AI landscape continues evolving at an unprecedented pace. Which development matters most to you? Are you excited about more reliable AI, concerned about copyright implications, or fascinated by the potential of brain-computer interfaces? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to stay ahead of the AI curve without drowning in hype and speculation, subscribe to bitbiased.ai. We analyze the developments that actually matter for your future, not just the flashiest headlines. The AI revolution isn't just accelerating, it's maturing, and these stories prove we're entering a new phase entirely.